In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Chick Fil A gift card. Whether you're thanking a friend or planning a simple treat, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so nothing gets missed. First, open the Chick Fil A app on your phone or go to the Chick Fil A website in your browser. Both options work the same way, so use whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look for the search feature and type in gift cards. If you don't see a search bar, you can usually find gift cards listed in the main menu or footer. Tap or click that to open the gift card section. Now you'll choose the type of card you want. If you need it fast or you're sending it digitally, pick an e-gift card. This is delivered by email and often arrives within minutes, making it perfect for last-minute gifts. If you prefer something someone can hold or wrap, choose a physical gift card, which will be mailed to the address you provide. Next, select the amount. You'll usually see a few common amounts listed, and sometimes you can enter a custom value. Pick the amount that fits your budget and the occasion. After that, enter the recipient details. For an e-gift card, you'll need the recipient's name and email address. For a physical card, enter the recipient's name and their full mailing address. Take a moment to double-check spelling, numbers, and apartment or suite details to prevent delivery issues. Then, add your payment information just as you would for any online purchase. Before you place the order, review everything carefully. Confirm you've selected the correct type of gift card, verify the amount, and make sure the recipient's email or mailing address is accurate. This is your chance to catch any typos or mismatched details. When everything looks right, tap Buy or Checkout to complete your purchase. Once your order is placed, the delivery is automatic. E-gift cards are sent to the recipient's email, and they should look for a message in their inbox. If it doesn't appear right away, it may land in a spam or promotions folder. Physical cards are shipped by mail to the address you entered, and delivery times will vary based on location and shipping speed. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can send a Chick Fil A gift card confidently and quickly, making someone's day with just a few clicks.